So, alright, I just had imported a few pictures here of the boy. Let's double click on one, and so we can go through with the cursor keys to figure out what is the picture we want to look at. Right, and if we don't see good, if we want to get close up, we can here zoom more. And this is about his face, how he looks at me. This looks like he has a tear in his eye. No. Let's say, I think this one is a good image of him. Okay, and now I want to crop this for social media, and I want to crop this image. So let's go to Edit, Crop, and I want to do a 1:1, a square image. There we go. Then we also got rid of this stuff here. So if you look at the original, we have here a box with an ice cream maker sitting here, an iPhone and stuff. If I want that out, I go here to a square image. That's what I want. And I could zoom in more if I wanted to. So just do this, and then we can move the image around. Like, let's put his eyes here and right in the middle of the image, like this. Okay. Let's say that is done. That is an adjustment image thing. We can do adjustments. And in this case, you want to do a retouch. He has like 2 holes in his nose because he was mean to his sister here and she didn't like it. So we go here to retouch, click on this little paintbrush tool. It's on 40 pixel size, right? And you just click on the damage, right? So here he has damage, click on it, wait a second. And you see the damage disappears. The same here. There. So now his face is fixed. He looks good. And now we can basically export this image. If we want to, we say done here, and then we can make the marker here that we like this, especially that we find it later again. And then we can here share and just export it or whatever we want with it to have that done here. And there's the picture of our little boy.